Hello guys, welcome back to Maradi Innovations. Have you ever wanted to build a cute robot that can watch your entire room with expressive moving eyes? In this video, I'll show you how to build it using just an Arduino Pro Mini, 2 servo motors, and a 0.96-inch OLED display. The best part, there's no need for a 3D printer. The entire robot is built using simple PVC foam sheet, making it affordable, lightweight, and easy for anyone to build at home. So, let's build this amazing robot together. The complete circuit diagram, wiring connections, source code, and all the project details are available in the video description. You can download everything from there and easily follow along while building this robot. To program the Arduino Pro Mini, download the source code from the link in the video description and open it in the Arduino IDE. Then, select the correct Arduino Pro Mini board and COM port and simply click Upload to program the board. enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, give it a like, share it with your friends, and support the channel. If you're interested in electronics projects ranging from beginner to advanced, including robotics, IoT, embedded systems, and many more exciting DIY projects like this, make sure to subscribe to Maradi Innovations and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.